Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about types of hardware addresses. So this video is a continuation of my previous video, link layer addressing. So link layer addressing is nothing but hardware addressing or otherwise known as MAC addressing. So there are three types of MAC addresses based upon what type of data transmission we are making. So the first one is called unicast. So whenever we send a one-on-one data transmission, it is completely unicast. So we use unicast MAC address. And whenever we are targeting on a particular group of authenticated people, we use multicast MAC addresses. And whenever we want to send from one sender to an unknown receiver, or number of or group of unknown receivers, we use broadcast MAC addresses. Okay. So this is the three types of MAC addresses we have, namely unicast, multicast and broadcast MAC addresses. So we'll see an example of MAC address. In this case, so this is an example MAC address we are going to talk about. So MAC address is a 48-bit address. We all know that, I hope we all know that IP address is a 32-bit address and it is following dotted decimal format. But MAC address is a 48-bit address and it is separated by a colon. So you can see there are 6 octets present in a MAC address. So a octet means 8 bits. So here your MAC address is represented using hexadecimal values. So for representing a hexadecimal number, we need 4 bits. So you can take the MSB. MSB is nothing but A and 3. So A is the 4 bit and another 3 is another 4 bit. So totally 8 bits. So altogether it is 1 octet. So MAC address is represented in the above fashion. So A3 colon 34 colon 45 colon 11 colon 92 colon F1. So this is the standard what we following for representing the MAC address. So the above given example is an example for a unicast MAC address. So how the MAC address is given? Generally MAC addresses is given by the manufacturer. Okay. So in the first like 3 octets, the series of a series is given to each manufacturer, and the remaining octets for unicast, I am talking about for unicast MAC address, how you will get your computer MAC address. So the remaining 3 octets will be given randomly by the manufacturer. So if you take Lenovo, yes, Lenovo will be for having a sequence. Okay, the first 3 octets will be the same for all the Lenovo manufacturer devices, and the remaining 3 is random for the devices. Okay, and it is not necessarily to be the same series, because once a batch of series is exploited, again a new set of series can be given from INA, okay, to the respective manufacturers. Okay, so this is a unicast MAC address. So as unicast address suggests, it is direct and it is simple. There is no special representation. Okay, so the prefix is from the manufacturer and the suffix is from the randomly generated number from the manufacturer. The next one is called multicast address. Okay, so how the multicast address is given? So in the example 9.2, right, we are actually having a multicast MAC address here. So you can see here, so it is also similar to a normal MAC address. It is also going to have the 48-bit and 6-byte fashion. But here the second digit of this particular MAC address should be a even number in hexadecimal. You can see that is the only difference we have. The second digit of the MSB of your particular octet should be even number. So in the given example, the MSB is A2, the first octet is A, the second octet is 2. So which is nothing but a even number. So if it is an even number, then it is targeted on a multicast group. It is targeted on a multicast group, and the remaining 3 octets, that is nothing but from the LSB, the 3 octets are targeted on group of computers. It is actually not targeted on a single computer. Can you able to get me? So probably this particular you can see in this example 11 colon 92 colon F1, it can be targeted on the node that is actually going to be connected with the group of devices. It can be a router, or it can be a Wi-Fi hub, or it can be a switch. Okay, this particular switch is connecting an entire group of, for example, I am having a 10 members, 10 computers in my multicast group. At only one particular ID can be given. So that ID is 11:92:F1. Okay, so this is called multicast addressing. Are you getting this? So a multicast address, it should be having the MSB's octet, the second digit should have a even number, and definitely it is going to be targeted on a multicast distributor node. Okay, so this particular entire MAC address is nothing but it is targeted on a router, or it can be targeted on a access point or a switch. Next one is called broadcast MAC address. It is very simple. Whenever a node doesn't have any destination address, or for example in the case of ARP, I told we will send a ARP request to all the nodes. So what the sender has to do? Sender has to put the destination MAC address as FFFFF. So all F. Okay, so all my 6 bytes are going to be F. It is filled in the destination MAC address portion, so that the entire data is broadcasted over the network. So if any packet carrying all F, it means it is a broadcast packet. Okay, so there are 3 types of addresses when it comes to MAC. One is unicast, another one is, so this is the unicast address, another one is multicast, and another one is called broadcast. So unicast address is, as I told you, prefixes company specific, suffix is given by the company. In a multicast address, MSB second digit will be even number, and again suffix is given by the company, and it is targeted on a group ID. And the third one is broadcast address. It is going to be all F. My 12 hexadecimal digits are going to be F and separated by the colon. Then it is said to be a broadcast hardware address. So friends, this is all about the 3 types of MAC addresses. So again I am repeating, one is unicast, and another one is multicast, and another one is broadcast. We all know unicast is one-on-one communication. Multicast is yes, one particular sender or group of sender is going to send data to a group of nodes which are authenticated or which are authorized or which are categorized under a particular multicast group. A group may have a group ID or a group targeted IP address. What about broadcast? Maybe one node or many nodes can broadcast data to many computers. Okay, so that is called broadcast. The best example can be a FM broadcast. Okay, so for this we are having a MAC address of all F's. So all my 12 hexadecimal characters are going to be F in the case of broadcast address. So this is all about different types of MAC addresses, and thank you.